Apps that pay you to try new games don't actually pay for gameplay alone. They pay for advertiser-funded actions like installs, level progress, or time spent inside specific games. By the end of this, you'll know 5 types of apps that reward you for trying new games, how those payouts are generated, and why some game offers disappear quickly while others stay available longer. Start with how these apps actually make money. Game developers pay these platforms to bring in new users. The app then shares a portion of that advertising budget with you when you install and engage with a featured game. So the real earning comes from marketing budgets, not the games themselves. First category is offer wall gaming apps. These apps show a list of sponsored games you can install and try. Rewards depend on completing specific in-game milestones. Second category is game discovery reward platforms. These apps rotate new game offers regularly, and payouts are tied to trying multiple featured games instead of just one. Third category is milestone-based game reward apps. These apps require you to reach specific levels inside a game before rewards unlock, which means earnings depend on progression speed. Fourth category is cashback-style gaming apps. These apps reward users for in-game purchases or engagement events, often funded by advertiser partnerships rather than direct gameplay payouts. Fifth category is hybrid reward gaming hubs. These apps combine multiple earning methods, including game installs, surveys, and small tasks, so game rewards are only one part of the system. Now here's what actually determines whether these apps feel worth your time. Offer availability is the biggest factor. Game campaigns rotate frequently, so earnings depend on what's currently active. Completion requirements also matter. Some games require reaching higher levels before unlocking rewards, which increases time investment. And payout conversion rate affects everything. Not all earned points translate evenly into withdrawable cash. So these apps aren't just about trying games. They're about matching your time with available advertiser campaigns. Summary: apps that pay you to try games rely on advertiser-funded installs and milestones. Earnings depend on offer availability, completion requirements, and conversion rates. The opportunity changes based on active campaigns. Next step: try one offer wall gaming app and track how many installs or levels it takes before your first cash out becomes available. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of apps that actually pay without hype or unrealistic earning claims.